Happy Saturday, everybody. That's another local Cars and Coffee. This is in Ontario. I'm early as always. And let's see what we got. There's going to be music, so this is not get monetized. Good morning. Good. Great. These are radios?
Yeah, these are all Bluetooth speakers. I'll show you how this operates. You know, it starts up, you got lights in the front. It starts up. It comes with the USB, but it's all Bluetooth. It's FM radio and it's USB. And I'll let you get a quick sound bite.
Wow. That is cool. That is cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pontiac,
Yeah, that's what I got.
Plymouth.
You know,
I've never seen these before.
yeah, these are
Nomads.
really cool. And then what we have, well, we have a lot of different ones,
Yeah.
but not everybody's car. But we do have pickups.
Big signs.
And then this is, you pick out your music on the stick. So it comes with the car. They're $70.
It's Christmas. The cars are 70.
$70 with a stick.
Do you have online? You can sell online?
Yeah, you can get my information.
Okay.
It'd be under LarryTheToyman.com.
So I'll put this on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
My YouTube channel is Randy's 57 Chevy. I'm Randy.
Okay, Randy.
And you're Larry?
Larry.
Very glad to meet you, buddy.
Yes.
I heard about this and I've been meaning to get up here.
Okay.
Kind of hit all the
First time
shows.
here. So,
This is your first time here too?
yeah. So I know Charles.
Well, this is a great place, but where do you go after this?
Well, I'm gearing up for Reno for Hot August nights. You know.
That is hot, man.
Yeah.
That is hot.
Yeah. So we'll be up there for about 2 weeks.
Everybody leaving already?
No.
I hope not. Those are nice, though. That's a great idea.
Yeah, so we're trying to do all these in custom. We do all the acrylics in custom.
You're out in Ontario?
Rialto.
You're out there? Nice meeting you. Good luck with these. There's a show I'm going to hit next in Europa. It's a
Right.
Hot Wheels show.
Oh, okay.
I don't know anything about it. That's where I head out next.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So, yeah, cool. Well, nice meeting you, Larry.
Right on, young man. You take care.
Super Beat. This was a 71 or 72. This is nice. Oh, really clean. Showing 99,000 miles. But it looks like, yeah, these seats are too new. I think the headlighter might be, but the seats are.
Hey, brother, you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll talk to you after you finish.
Well, you can talk to me now.
Oh, okay. How you doing, Charles?
Hey, Charles, is this your show?
Yes, sir.
I have a YouTube channel, Randy's 57 Chevy.
Oh, wow, beautiful.
So I'll put you on it.
Oh, thank you so
And
much.
I just happened to pick this up. You have this every
So this is every quarter. We do this-
quarter. I saw that.
Yeah, we do this once a quarter, and then every month we're at the church where we do this.
You have to charge while you do this?
No, we're at the church.
Oh, at the church.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
church,
what
church.
it is, it's a classic restoration ministry.
Okay.
So
okay.
what we do is we take 7 of the salvation scriptures and we
Okay.
correlate them to car parts to make it tangible for people who tool on vehicles.
That's
and stuff
smart
like that.
man.
If you'd like to take a look at it, I'd love
I
to
will.
show
I
you.
will. I'll work. I'm gonna get
Okay.
some cars and I'll be over there.
Thank you so
nice
much.
meeting you.
Likewise.
Well,
The guy that doing business could think about what time I'm going to take my nap. Stay away from
well, it was a Super B to begin with.
I used to my youngest over there in Georgia and all the stuff. Just riding my mom. I remember another time almost killed myself.
There's a helper right there.
And I was mad at my wife. She had so she was out of town with the church that I was going to at that time, and I was mad at her. And I said, you know what? She's out of town. I'm gonna go where we live.
It was a. It did have a. It did have a.
So I took this trail that I've never taken before, and the trail started going up this hill. The pathway was about this big. And I'm like, is somebody just doing this the other way?
Yeah, all the GoCAD on everything. Who does that? I thought I was the only one. I wish the music wasn't playing. This is really.
But I just had to strap, and even that was hard to maintain. And a lot of times that it bounced so much that if I had to lock it, then I
Oh, 280Z.
So I'm there, and this thing keeps going up. I said, okay, I know that my normal route is that way,
Okay.
Okay, we're ready.
You said did you say
Randy?
Okay.
Randy.
So Randy, what we do is it's the Classic Restoration Ministry, and so what we do is we take 7 of the salvation scriptures and we correlate them to car parts, because not everybody that's involved with cars will either make the time or take the time to come and acknowledge that God is involved in everything that we're doing.
Right.
So with the wheel of a vehicle demonstrates how man goes in circles without God. Okay, and that's out of Romans 3:23. Everyone needs salvation. Okay, and then we have Jesus died for salvation, Romans 5:8, using the steering wheel, which directs us towards the destination. Right?
Yeah, I mean, listen, last night I was coming home from a show in La Habra, coming down Lambert.
Yeah.
And in the middle, it was just getting dark, and a guy walks out against the light.
I know Lambert well, yeah.
And the car to the left of me stopped. I just don't know. I go, what the hell is he stopped for? I better stop too.
Right.
There was a guy walked right in front of me. I would have killed him with that.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It was dark.
Yeah.
And of course he was mad at us.
Of course, because he was in the wrong.
Yeah. But anyway,
Right.
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
But I'm just saying stuff like that makes you
absolutely.
realize that there's a higher power out there.
Absolutely.
Hey.
Absolutely. So then salvation is a gift. Romans 6:23. The body of the vehicle protects us in our vehicles as Christ does. Okay? And then we're saved by grace. Romans 11:6. Axles or suspension of vehicles carry us along our destinations. So those bumps that we hit, it's that grace that keeps us from making it worse, right?
Bumps.
And those bumps in life as well. And there's another one for you. Turn around.
Yeah, I'm going to hit them all. 37 and 66.